Hello, this is the screencast for course scheduling for Computer Science 401. Um, this is the as you can see, this is a GitHub repo. Right now it is private, but it should be public by the time this project is released. It is an open source project on course management and automatic assignments of labs and office hours to TAs. Um, if you go into the backend folder in GitHub, you'll see a very detailed README on how to set up your backend locally and all the software and requirements that you need to set up to run the backend on your computer locally. And then if you go back, you'll see same for the front end as well. So if you go into front end folder, also has a README that explains how to set up your front end locally on your computer. So if you open the website, you'll see a login screen. As you can see, we support login with Google, and the authentication is set up so that once you log in, it will check if you have a UL Alberta email, and if you do, only then will it log you in. As you can see, if you try to log in without a UL Alberta, it will log you out. Also, the website requires the backend to already have an instructor account in the database for you to log in successfully in the first time. And then once you do log in, you'll be greeted by the course management page. For the instructor, you can create and edit your courses here. And if you click on the plus icon on the right beside the My Courses, you will see a form that follows the UL Alberta course naming scheme, and you can kind of just select your specific course data here, and it should be created here. And then if you hover over this course, on the right you will see two buttons to edit and delete this course. If you click on the edit button, you'll see the form populated with your information, and if you update it, you'll see it should update on the course on the page as well. And there's also a similar button for delete. This will delete all the users and the labs associated with this course, and should only be done when at the end of the semester, when to dump all the course data so that it doesn't fill up your database. So if you go into the course, you will see a list view of all the labs and office hours. There is also a calendar view for another view, whichever one you prefer. If you click on one of them, you'll see the specific lab and office hour data. This is for the lab. As you can see, it has already been populated and assigned with different TAs. You can see the date and the time as well. We also have a report absent button for reporting TAs that missed their lab or their office hour timings. As a student, you can report them on through this website here. But if you go back, and as an instructor, you can also edit the specific lab data here. You can edit the lab name. You can edit the what times they're taking place right here, and then you can edit the specific participants of the labs as well. Same for the office hours. If you click on the office hour, you can see the specific information. As you can see, there's only one TA assigned to each office hour, and then you can see the specific time and the delivery type. And then also has the report absent button, and instructor can edit the specific office hour information as well. Now, if you click on the add files button, this is for the instructor to basically fill in raw data directly from UL Alberta docsdb. They can kind of just copy paste all the specific of the specific course information. And this, what this will do is it will create student and TA accounts for the website, as well as lab events that the TAs will later be assigned to. And as you can see, the format is kind of copy pasted from DocsDB, except for TA information, which is a CSV format. And you go to the participants page, you'll see the list of all the instructors, TAs, and students in this page. If you click on TA as an instructor, you can edit their specific information. But in order to do that, you have to first click the edit button on the top right. If you click on editing mode, this will put you in the editing mode, and clicking on the participant will allow you to edit the specific data of the participant as an instructor. And then when outside of the editing mode, you can also edit the constraints. So this is what the constraint window will look like for the TAs. They can fill in what times they're unavailable, whether they have classes or whether they are unavailable after a specific time. They can put in all that information here, and that information will be factored in when the website automatically assigns the TAs to labs and office hours. And then if you click on create schedule, this is for the instructor. Once the instructor has confirmed that the TAs have all filled out their specific constraint requirements, they can run the one-time optimize schedule, which will handle the automatic assignment of the TAs to the labs and office hours, and it will incorporate their specific constraints that they inputted. And what this will do is it will also give out a warning. Basically, it will give out a warning if a lab or office hour event did not get a TA assigned, and the instructor will have to go in and edit the specific event themselves and kind of assign TA and officer manually. But yeah, that is the screencast for course scheduling. Thank you.